Our main flagship is our truck box. Comes in a 30-inch or a 60-inch. Our design consists of no rollers, no bearings, no sliders. Everything we have is on a 1-inch steel shaft that runs the entire length of the toolbox, and it's steel on steel. Because it's steel on steel, we added a greaser so that it can be greased, so that it will operate like this the day you buy it and the day you get rid of it. All drawers open all the way. All drawers have weight capacity of over 400 pounds. And even with my weight to pin it, it is still very easy to move in and out. Comes with non-slip mat. Also available are dividers. So this unit, like I said, comes in a 30-inch or a 60-inch.